Good morning, children. Today we are going to see reduction by active metals. First of all, we should know what are the active metals. Why are they called so? Sodium, magnesium, calcium metals and all called as active metals. Why? If we go through the examples, boron trioxide will be reduced by sodium and you are getting boron. That means what? The metal sodium reduces boron trioxide. That means what? Sodium is more reactive metal than boron. In the same way, magnesium reduces rubidium oxide and you are getting rubidium. Magnesium reduces titanium oxide, you are getting titanium. In the same way, calcium reduces thorium oxide, you are getting thorium. That's all, children. This reaction is carried out at the temperature 1250 Kelvin. Thank you, children. Share it, like it, and listen. You take the screenshot. If you read thoroughly, surely you can attend any competitive exam based on chemistry, and also you can easy to score the mark 70 out of 70. That's why I give 1 minute video.